How you doing? It's your girl Nubian E, and welcome to
The Crown Nubian Healing Station.
Okay, so on today's episode of Healing in the Kitchen, we will be making an at-home cough syrup that has worked wonders for me and my family. So hopefully it can work wonders for you and yours. And today we'll be using onion, a purple onion, some honey, and garlic. 3 garlic cloves. Okay, so first you will be cutting up the onion. Okay, so I'll wash this off. As we all know, I choose the purple because the darker the berry, I feel like the more properties, healing properties. It's not literally a berry, but you know what I mean. Everything that has more melanin in it is usually better. No shade, no tea. So after I cut these, put these to the side, I have my 3 garlics. I'm gonna cut my garlics up. Period. Cutting 2 at the same damn time because we got time to be doing separate. Trying to get this thing made. Okay, cool. And now I will be transferring the onions and the garlics inside of my glass jar. But yeah, as you could probably hear in the background, my baby got a little cough, so period. These little kids in school, boy. Okay, so now in the jar, I have my onion and garlic. And now to pour the honey. Okay, so this is all I have in honey right now, but I will allow this to stay for 12 to 24 hours, and then tomorrow we will do the next part, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a brief intermission. Make sure that you put your orders in for your Crown Nubian Warrior hoodie. $45. You can pick it up from the Bronx, or I can mail it to you for extra fee. Ashe. This is a size medium. This is a size medium. Also available, we have small, large, medium, extra large, double X, and possibly triple X in different colors. Very warm, smooth. Okay, check me out. Also, for those who are interested in my Simply Just a Friend service, hit me up, let me know. It's very confidential. It will just be me and you. Okay, everything is kept to yourself and kept to me. Starting as low as 15 minutes, just to give me a trial run for your, for your curiosity. And I don't mind that. Ashe. I don't count like the first 5 minutes because I like to cleanse the energy and speak life into you, Ashe. And then we get on this journey of speaking with each other, Ashe. So yeah, coming up next. Okay, so I am back and it's been 24 hours, you can say. And this is what it looks like versus what it looked like the last time. As you can see, it's not as thick. See that? It's not as thick as it once was. I'm shaking it up. See? So me personally, I like to still leave the onion and garlic in there as we use it because I feel like, it's still absorbing more. And then later on down the road, I'll, take it out and continue to use the cough syrup. This has definitely helped bring the mucus out of baby boy when he was going through his attacks with the coughing and not feeling too well. So I swear by this. I use it for myself as well. And yeah, if this is something you like to try, give it a try, period. So make sure you book me for Simply Just a Friend. I'm your favorite healer, your spiritual guide, Ashe. And I'm just here raising the vibrations of the collective. Definitely what we speak about is confidential, and I won't put your name out there, whatever the case might be, but definitely we'll be using it to bring more spirits and heal more spirits around me and around you. So make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Sending you peace, love, and light vibrations. Get you on. I fucking love you. Ashe, Ashe. You want to be on top? With the Tyra pose. Period. You look constipated. Here we go.